Are you ready to make your business to a next level in the online market? In today's video, I'm going to share you how to make your website ranked higher in the search engine results using the technical SEO factors. I have already done a video regarding the technical SEO, on-page SEO and off-page SEO. So in that I have covered what is technical SEO means in that. And today I'm just planning to share with you the technical SEO factors as separate videos in a single playlist, so that the video will not be much more lengthier. Let's get started. Before that, if you are seeing me for the first time, my name is Steffi and I am a digital marketer by profession. If you are interested in knowing and learning about the digital marketing techniques, trends and updates, consider subscribing to my channel. You can just click the subscribe button here and the bell button next to it. Choose all option in that so that you will get notified whenever I upload a new video. Technical SEO is a very important factor in the whole SEO process. If there are problems with your technical SEO, then your SEO efforts will not generate the expected leads or expected traffic for your website. It is thus crucial to make sure that you know what is technical SEO and how to make it done in your website in a right way. And the technical SEO refers to the server and website optimization processes that helps search engines and crawlers to crawl and index your website effectively. And the good news in doing technical SEO is that once you have done it right, then you don't need to deal it with again. Now in this playlist, I am going to talk to you about the top 10 technical SEO factors that you should consider while developing a website. You can just create a checklist on what are the factors I am mentioning here, so that you can check and tick each and everything if it is present in the website or not. And at the end of the video, please do comment your technical SEO grade on 10, including these all factors.